What's up guys, this is Mehran from Dynamic Tech. Today we are going to talk about the best budget smartwatch of all the time. It's probably one of the best smartwatch under $30. The smartwatch I am talking about is the Xiaomi Kieslect K10. So this is the Xiaomi Kieslect K10. Some key features are mentioned over the box. It comes with Semi-AMOLED screen, 13 workout modes. I will show you that later on. 30 days of standby mode, which means the battery is more durable. The Spo2 sensor is also here, by which you can determine your oxygen level. This is a great features. Heart rate monitoring and sleep monitoring, which we have seen before in almost every single smartwatch. Now let me just take it out of the box. So this is our K10 smartwatch, which looks very premium and very fashionable. And just look at its curved design. I'm just loving it. The quality of these strips also looks very premium as well. Inside the box you will get this magnetic charger and some manual paper which nobody reads. So coming back to the smartwatch, the first thing I will talk about is its display, which is very smooth because this is a semi-AMOLED retina display. If you are using a smartwatch with IPS panel, then this would be just a heaven for you because it's very smooth and providing a very clever view. Besides the AMOLED panel, lowest screen resolution for watch is 240 by 240 and highest is 466 by 466, but the K10 has 360 by 360 pixels. So this is a basic high level screen which is presenting more HD colors at very low price range. The display is also protected by 2.5D curved screen. It's perfectly protecting the screen edge and looks more fashionable. Now I would say this is the most undervalued semi-AMOLED smartwatch because $30 is nothing for this smartwatch. The smartwatch is basically designed by the world top IT team. Thanks to them for providing such a killer look at very affordable price. Its extremely slim metal body. In our daily life you will forget that you are wearing a watch and you will feel very easy. So on the design side I will give 10 points out of 10. Kieslect K10 also offers 13 different kinds of sports mode, which is very useful. You can activate any of them regarding your sport activities. Advanced biological tracking optical sensor in this watch can perform 24 hours heart rate monitoring, keeping you aware of the exercise effect and providing warnings when your resting heart rate is abnormally elevated. Most importantly, this watch is protected by IP68 water resistance. I personally test this smartwatch many times in water and it works perfectly. So you can wash this watch as many times as you want. If we talk about the battery backup, so this smartwatch has 330 mAh battery. It will take around 2 hours to charge from 0 to 100% with this magnetic charger, and you would be able to use it for 7 days continuously and 30 days of backup on standby mode, which means the battery is more durable. Most importantly, if you are looking for the best budget smartwatch with semi-AMOLED screen, then I think you should go for the Kieslect K10 because it's complete package and you would be satisfied with its premium quality and its features. I'm mentioning the link in the description. If you are interested, just order it now and get your K10 at your doorstep with few clicks. Okay, so it was all from us for today. If you guys have got any question regarding this smartwatch, let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching my videos and I will see you in the next one.